In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zoho forms. To start, navigate to zoho.com forms. Once there, you'll need to log in with your Zoho account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Click on Sign Up because it's free to get started. Signing up will give you access to an array of features ready to help streamline your data collection. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the blue Create Form button and go ahead and click it. You'll be presented with three options to get started: a blank form, a template, or import from a spreadsheet. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's choose blank form so we can explore the fundamentals of creating a form from scratch. You're now in the form builder. This is where the magic happens. Begin by giving your form a title. Let's use something like customer feedback to keep things simple. Next, you'll want to start building out your form by dragging and dropping different fields such as name, email, drop-downs, ratings, or even file uploads. The drag-and-drop interface is intuitive and makes it easy to customize your form exactly how you want it. For each field, you can dive into customization, make it a required field, add some helpful text for your respondents, or even set input limits to ensure you capture the most relevant information. If your form requires it, you can add some advanced logic by clicking on Rules. This feature lets you show or hide questions based on the user's previous answers, offering a tailored experience for your respondents. Once your form is structured to your liking, it's time to bring it in line with your brand. Head over to the Themes tab, where you can play around with different colors and font styles. This allows you to ensure your form is visually appealing and consistent with your brand identity. With your form looking great, it's time to send it out into the world. Click Share at the top of the screen. You'll have multiple options for distribution. You can copy and share the form link, making it versatile for social media or other platforms. If you have a website, embedding the form directly can lead to a seamless user experience. Alternatively, emailing it directly to your users provides a personalized touch that may drive higher engagement. And just like that, you've crafted your first Zoho form. With this powerful tool, you can not only collect responses, but also track submissions and even export data, all managed and accessible in one convenient place. Before you finalize everything, don't forget to give your form a quick test run to ensure it all works as intended. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in your Zoho Forms journey.